Okay guys, today I am in the studio and I finally get to show you what I've been working on. We are playing with the Higgsfield try-on app and honestly, it's been a wild ride. I'm going to teach you exactly how to use this tool to get high-fidelity results just like the one I'm watching right now. But we have to keep it real. We're talking the good, the bad, and the I can't show you that. I've had some renders today where the outfits were just so tight and things were a little too exposed for YouTube. They're seriously terrifying, or maybe just a bit much for the public feed. I obviously can't show you those bloopers, but I'm going to show you how to navigate the app to get that perfect high-gloss fit without any accidental reveals. We'll get into the prompting and the technical stuff in a little while, but for now, let's just have some fun with the gear. Ready to see how I made this happen? All right, before we get into the disco ball disaster, let me show you where the magic actually happens. First, you're going to head to the Higgsfield main page and jump straight into the marketing studio. This is the powerhouse where I do all my high-fidelity work. Now, most people think this is just for clothes, but listen, the marketing studio is massive. You can do everything in here. We're talking high-end unboxing videos, TV-style advertisements, full tutorials, and even virtual try-on spots that look like they belong on a big-budget production. It's basically a full creative agency right on your screen. But today, I'm going to show you specifically how I use it for my fashion renders, and why it sometimes goes hilariously wrong if you don't know the secrets. Okay guys, check this out. Today I'm showing you the real behind the scenes of working with the Higgsfield try-on app.
Hey, no, get out!
I'm reacting to two different renders, the epic fail and the one that actually looks like Sarah. So first up, look at this.
Disco fever, here I come.
I thought I could just drop the product link from the website and Sarah's photo, and the AI would know what to do. Nope.
Hey, no, get out!
It completely hijacked her face and replaced it with the model from the website. Talk about an identity crisis.
Disco fever,
So this is Sarah. Say hi, Sarah.
Hi, Sarah.
But then I used my master prompter brain. Instead of just relying on the links, I went in with heavy Stable Diffusion style prompting. I told the AI, must use avatar reference for girl, and do not use girl from product reference. Look at the difference. Now we have the sparkly sequin dress, the silver boots, and most importantly, it's actually Sarah in the frame. It's giving total disco ball vibes, and I am here for it. Another trick to get the off-the-shoulder look, you just grab a product image and go to Nano Banana and make it off the shoulder.
Anyway,
boom,
I really
voila.
love it. It's a little like
Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to lock in your identity so you don't end up looking like a random catalog model. To keep Sarah looking like Sarah, I use high-weight Stable Diffusion prompting. This locks her identity so the AI doesn't accidentally swap her face with the catalog model from the product link. I originally pulled this under the skincare tutorial category, but looking at the results, it's clearly more of a pure demonstration. She isn't giving you a play-by-play on technique, she's just living in the moment with the product. And honestly, sometimes that's exactly what you need. I decided to recreate this exactly as it was laid out in the official workflow. It shows the baseline of what the engine can do without any extra technical overhead. You get that natural skin texture, the fluid movement of the dropper, and a believable environment without having to over-engineer the prompt. The takeaway here is that you don't always need a complex how-to. Sometimes a simple, high-fidelity demonstration is enough to sell the aesthetic. It's a solid foundation that you can take and adapt for any product or brand. Check out the final output.
I cannot believe how good this is. Look how it just melts in. My skin already feels insane. Okay, I'm obsessed. I'm not going back.
That's the baseline. If you're coming from a Stable Diffusion background, you know that control is everything. My goal here is to bridge that high-level SD engineering with the speed of these new workflows without losing the realism. If you want more deep dives into these prompts and the logic behind the weights, subscribe and drop a comment below. Tell me, are you sticking with Stable Diffusion for your final renders? Or are these new tools taking over your pipeline? Let's talk about it. Catch you in the next one.